Now see here, example based on the nuclear fission reaction. If 200 mega electron volt energy is released in the fission of a single nucleus. So, when one nucleus of uranium 235 undergoes a fission, this much energy is released. So, we can write energy released in one fission is equal to 200 mega electron volt, that is 200 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 13 joule, that is here 2, that is we can multiply here 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 11 joule. So, this is the energy released in one fission in joules. Now, we have to carry out here, we have to calculate number of fissions for producing a power of 1 kilowatt. Power means that is 1 kilowatt, power means energy released per second, that means 1000 watt, that means 1000 joule per second. So, energy released in 1 second is 1000 joule. So, now we have to calculate how many fissions are required for giving out this much energy. So, we can take here number of fissions per second. I am talking about per second because taking energy per second, 1000 divided by 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 11. So, when we solve it, we will be getting 3.12 into 10 raised to power 13. So, for generating this much power, we need this much fission here, 3.12 into 10 raised to power